it's not going to be as thick as I'm used to because I didn't put any I can't find it. And this is bloody hot, so we'll bring it down to 5. Try my luck at this. You'll want to get a metal spatula. Okay. You can use any other type of spatula, whatever you're used to. And you have to do this quick. And with the flat of your cuillère, your spoon, you thin it out, and it'll start cooking quickly. Oh, I need a plate. And it's going to start burning. That's not bad. Actually, I'm doing better now. Something to be able to cover it, so you're going to be using this, just my grandma's trick for a washcloth or a guenille. That's one. Now you keep doing this until you have enough. Depending on how much you actually cooked, I cooked a little bit too much, so I'm going to be cooking the whole batch. You can use this method too, which is a little bit quicker. Flapjack method, and you try to spread it out as much as you can so that it has more equilibrium. It doesn't have to be all nice and round. The perfect people that can actually do this, like my grandparents, were all dead, unfortunately. My grandmother was a perfect champion at it. Hers was much thicker than mine, but it's similar to an egg. You have to let it cook in the sense that it starts drying up. As soon as it starts drying up, you have to be careful not to... See, it's not ready right now. Now this will make a mess on your floor, I can guarantee it. But it's worth it. Now, when you get these pieces, you'll want them off because they'll cause, not clunkiness, but chunkiness. When you start noticing that you have a loss of shade or glistening from your hot plate, re-grease it. And spread this out because this is going to be way too friggin' thick. Like I said, I'm not the best, but I'm not showing my fear. You have to try it. You have to try cooking, you have to try new stuff, and try to live in traditions that are passed down from family to family. And cooking is one of the world's best traditions that are passed on from generation to generation. Unfortunately, it gets lost when people don't cook. So I do encourage you folk to actually enjoy cooking, be it desserts, be it small dishes. Practice makes perfect, and it's by your own experiments that you'll actually know what works for you and what doesn't. It's not by saying, oh well, it's not for me. Trust me. look at me. I didn't like seafood and I decided to try calamari. I know it's not for me, but at least I tried 2 pieces. And then by 2 pieces, I mean some pretty decent pieces. And sushi, which I may try again. I'm still not 100% with the sushi. Sake though, give me any sake. On a perfectly greased piece of paper or griddle, this rarely happens where it's actually not cooking evenly. But you don't want it too high, because if it's too high you end up burning it too fast before cooking. And one thing I failed to mention, because this is thick, and I haven't been doing it, and I'm noticing that it's not coming out as well as I'd like it to. It does cause sedimentation, so you do need to mix it every time that you're ready to pour another one in.